Welcome to IDB, everyone. It is Andrew here. Anker has announced a new lineup of new wireless chargers specially made for the iPhone X and the iPhone 8. We've covered a few of Anker's other wireless chargers in the past, but these ones are different, and not just in the color. First up is the stand. This is basically tailor-made for the new iPhones in that it will charge at 7.5 watts of power, where the other ones only would do 5. They also have a new dual charging pad, so you can charge two devices at once, and again, this will work with the iPhone X and the iPhone 8. They have a car mounting solution, so you can easily attach these vent mounts to your car's vent. It uses a little clip here, which is pretty nice. It's a little bit tricky to do one-handed, but by clipping this onto your vent, then you just go ahead and plug in the cable to this and wirelessly charge your phone. Other vent clips that we've seen, they often use kind of other already preset widths, and they kind of fall off sometimes. So this one seems a lot sturdier than other ones that I've seen in the past. It still, of course, uses a wire, but you don't have to fiddle with it with your phone each and every time. I was definitely partial to Anker's wireless charging stand because not only does it work vertically and horizontally and charge at those faster speeds, but it just works better for the iPhone X because that facial recognition feature, if your phone is laying down, it just doesn't want to unlock like you could do with Touch ID. So these kind of vertical ones work really well with Apple's newest phones. You can see here the black charging pad, which is the one that we covered, and their new one here. Obviously, you can see that status LED on the side comes with this nice soft white and gray color scheme, and then your phone just can simply go on top and charge at that faster speed. So basically, they just kind of took their existing lineup of chargers, added Apple-specific 7.5 watts of power for the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and the iPhone X. Those are the big changes in these guys, so if you're looking at a wireless charger and you really want to get probably a good affordable one, they're not a bad place to look, but you might as well wait for their newer ones to come out. They're going to be pretty similarly priced, but you're of course going to get faster charging speeds. So if that's something that you're looking forward to, or you're looking for a nice dual charger, kind of like the chrome edges that they put on these, look really nice. They'll be released very shortly, and we will be hands-on with them when they do. Go ahead and subscribe. Till next time, this is Andrew for IDB.